In this video, I'm going to show you one of our family favorites, Muffin Tin Tacos. I typically use 1.5 to 2 pounds of ground beef for 4 muffin tins. Brown your ground beef. I like to use a Dutch oven and this Pampered Chef tool to break up the beef. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. After your ground beef is done browning, pour in the required amount of taco seasoning and water according to the directions on your seasoning packet. Stir the ground beef, seasoning, and water and let cook until water is fully reduced. While the taco meat is cooking, you can prep the rest of your ingredients that you're going to want to put on your tacos. Place out 4 muffin tins. Place 1 wonton wrapper in each muffin tin cup. Place the muffin tins with the wonton wrappers in them in a preheated 350 degree oven. Allow them to cook for about 10 minutes or until just slightly brown. Start filling the crispy wonton wrappers with about a tablespoon of taco meat. Place a pinch of taco cheese on top of the taco meat. Place the muffin tins back into a 350 degree oven and let cook until the cheese is fully melted. Grab a few tacos, put them on a plate, and start adding your additional ingredients. This is the best thing about having these small little tacos. Each person can put on their own ingredients and you can have multiple different kinds on your own plate. Typical other ingredients I like on my tacos is habanero sauce, onions, black olives, more peppers, cilantro, lettuce, and sour cream. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe for future videos.